What's up?
Shut up. Calm down. Yes.
Calm down. Umbrella.
Yes.
Where?
There. They have collected my handbag. They have collected my handbag.
Calm down. They collected your bag.
Yes.
Umbrella for this place.
Yes.
Where are they?
There.
Here.
Yes.
They carry gun.
Yes.
They carry gun.
Yes. Security.
Wait. Calm down. What is security? Calm down first. They say security. He said they carry gun. Yeah, he said they.
Yeah. Shut up. Where is the security?
Hello. I don't pass the already now. I don't like this.
You are a failure. Look at you.
Sorry. You are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Baby on top.
Baby on top. Oh, wow, what a nice name. What are you doing for a living?
It is smoky, boy.
Actually, I'm not doing anything now. Even the place I'm working, they suck.
You're supposed to know them well, though. They don't like you.
You don't get handwork if they fight through love for Lagos. Google kill you.
You don't know why it's going on.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget it.
Photo. Is that you?
I would drink this cocoa.
No, you don't need to
I will drink this coke today. Just leave me. Let me drink this coke.
No, listen to me. You don't need to drink this coke.
This man.
I don't want you to drink this coke.
And I want to drink it.
Please don't drink
I want
this
to
coke.
drink this coke. Let me end it so I cannot take it again. I cannot take it again.
Listen to me. I'm your husband. I'm a man of God. And the Bible says, why should you listen to our husband? Don't drink this coke, man.
I always listen to you.
Yes.
But in this case, no.
No.
Allow me to end it.
Give me this coke. No.
In this case, no.
I am
will
the-
take this coke today. Oh.
See.
I must take this coke.
I'm the head of this family.
Okay.
Leave it for me.
I must drink
Leave this coke
I
for
must
me.
drink this coke today.
No, you don't need to drink this coke. Leave this coke for me. You need to listen to me.
70 years old man.
Are you getting me? I'm the head of
What happened now? What happened?
You be mumu.
Why you not drink coke like this now? Officer, thank God you are here. My wife poisoned this coke. Yes.
Hey!
What is it?
It is smoky, boy.
Save her. Thank God, officer. Thank God you saved my wife.
If they take in their hand.
God. Hey! Why I know they explain before person collect something? Shebi, as I collect this code, why next explain before I collect? So if poison the code, you allow me collect it and if na one kuna say, why I no go inside and kuna self? Why I no go inside and kuna self?
This man.
Thank God, officer, say you don't save my wife.
Yeah! Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, female and men. You people have red oil.
Only you know there.
Red oil.
You know there.
Yeah!
My wife.
Photo. You think say they wise? They have left you behind.
Waiting be that your ATM pin so that I go roll and make I go collect the remaining change with your back.
Yeah!
And they ask you something say you go die now, you go just drink the remaining poison.
He shot you.
So I go follow you die. If you want die, they go. Make I go my own.
You are a mumu man.
Guys, follow Kizito Comedy UC1, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, follow us in TikTok. We have TikTok accounts. You can follow us there. All social media around, just type Kizito Comedy UC1. You will see us. Please, guys, follow us, like us, share and comment. Please share the video. We love you. Mwah.
I beg, support. Without
Subscribe,
support, nothing we go do. I beg.
Man, no lie.
Subscribe.
If you know stop, you support us.
Subscribe.
Support us.
Support us.